Hello, friends. In the series of 3 to 4 videos, we'll try to understand about breakout trading. See, this videos series, I may not be able to complete entire thing in one single video. We'll be definitely going for 3 to 4 videos to know about breakout trading, and this is one of the important concept to know for an intraday trader. The reason is you might have observed the market carefully. There is no such day that the market will not accumulate at one point and move forward. You might have observed the two things are very common in the market. One is support and one is resistance, and most of the time you might have also observed that near support or near resistance the market accumulate most of the time, and either it will break the resistance or break down support. You might have observed it, and that's what we are going to learn, some of the very key points related to the breakout trading. We'll see these guys, all the important points we are going to discuss, and it will definitely help you to learn more about breakout trading. See, in the case of a breakout trader enters a long position after the stock price breaks above resistance. See, the two things are quite common in the market. One is resistance. When you go in an uptrend, resistance, it breaks resistance and it move forward. It breaks resistance and it move forward. A breakout trader enters a long position after the stock price breaks above resistance. It has to accumulate near resistance, then move forward. Or else a break trader enters a short position after the stock price breaks below support, right? And we are also going to see the pictorial examples definitely in the next video. We'll try to understand some of the basics in this video. And in the case of a false breakout, so what I mean by false breakout, see, there are definitely sometimes when you try to trade a breakout, uh, you succeed most of the time, and sometimes you fail. You believe that it broke resistance properly and you will take a trade and it will fail, and it is actually a false breakout. And theoretically, if you try to understand, it occurs when the price moves through an identified level of support or resistance but does not have enough momentum to maintain its direction. You might have seen that sometimes the price accumulate near resistance and it try to break, and we believe that it will take one direction above resistance and you take trade, and it failed to maintain the momentum, and we call this as a false breakout. And the next important thing in breakout trading is see, there are actually two types of trader. One is institutional investors who has very very big money and information give, and also they have some proper information about the market, and they are the one who give direction to the market. We call them as institutional investors. They have big money. And we have a retail trader like you and me, the retail trader who often try to make a quick money. We try to predict, and we try to speculate, and we try to make some quick money, and it's a good idea to follow the big money always if you want to make money in the market. And entry and exit decide the fate of your trade, irrespective of your reputation, experience and qualification. See, this is one of the very important point when you are in an intraday trade. See, most of the time we believe that we are most experienced, or we have some good reputation, we have a great qualification academic wise. But I will tell you, the real thing is it matters when you take one trade. When you enter to one trade and where exactly you exit from that particular trade, the fate of your trade is that's all. And your reputation, your experience, who are you in the market doesn't matter really. And when you want to learn about a breakout trade, you need to know these three important things. One is how to draw proper trend line. We are going to discuss those things in the next video. And identification of real breakout, and trade execution. See, these three things are very important. One is very importantly the trend line, how to draw the trend line, and identify the real breakout, and the trade execution. See, this breakout concept is very important because almost every day we have this particular scenario in the market. See, where there is a lot of selling wicks or the buying wicks are not suitable for the breakout trading. What I'm trying to say here is, see, when there is very much volatility in the market, I mean, where the prices are moving very fast up and down, and where there is a big selling wicks and buying wicks, they are not at all suitable for breakout trading. And too much gap is also not suitable for breakout trading. When you go for positional trade, especially if there is a too much gap, even that is also not very much suitable for breakout trading. And what is trend line, and related to the breakout trading, almost all the important points we are going to discuss in our very upcoming videos. Kindly watch the following videos to understand much better about breakout trading. We are going to definitely discuss with all types of example pictures, and we are going to have some very interesting topics which are upcoming related to breakout trading. Thank you friends for watching. Bye.